If you've been trying to get the ByBit app on your PC or laptop in 2025, you've probably noticed something frustrating. ByBit doesn't offer an official desktop app, but the good news is you can still use ByBit just like an app on your computer, and today I'm going to show you the simplest, fastest way to do it. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clean app like ByBit experience right on your desktop. First, open your browser. I recommend Chrome because this trick works perfectly there. Now head over to the official website, bybit.com. Make sure you're on the correct site, and once you're in, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, click the ByBit logo to go to the main homepage. This part is important because the install option only appears when you're on the homepage of the website. Next, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You should see 3 vertical dots. Click on them. A small menu will appear and you'll notice an option that says Install App or Install ByBit, depending on your browser version. Click it. Chrome will now ask you to confirm the installation. Just hit install and within a second, ByBit will open in its own separate window, just like a standalone app. And here's the best part. Chrome will automatically create a shortcut icon on your desktop or start menu. So from now on, you can open ByBit directly with a single click. No browser tabs, no distractions. It feels just like a native PC application. That's all it takes. A super quick and clean method to get the ByBit app experience on your PC or laptop without downloading anything risky or unofficial. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.